In this cycle, a circulating working fluid called refrigerant such as freon enters the compressor as a vapor. The vapor is compressed at constant entropy and exits the compressor superheated. The superheated vapor travels through the condenser, which first cools and removes the superheat and then condenses the vapor into a liquid by removing additional heat at constant pressure and temperature. The liquid refrigerant goes through the expansion valve, also called a throttle valve, where its pressure abruptly decreases. The freezing refrigerant then travels through the evaporator, taking away heat from the body to be kept at low temperature.